Imagine converting a hand-drawn cloud architecture directly into a fully deployed Azure infrastructure using AI. In today's TechRill video, we will explore how GitHub Copilot can help infrastructure engineers to understand complex architecture diagrams, how to generate Terraform automatically out of these diagrams, and even provision cloud resources from simple drawings. This is not just AI-assisted coding anymore. This is AI-powered infrastructure engineering. Let us have a quick view on how Copilot can help an infrastructure engineer. For the first example, we have taken an SAP production deployment on Microsoft Azure and asking Copilot to explain this architecture diagram. This is a complex deployment with an SAP production environment and defined a perimeter network and how it talks to a central hub in Azure subscription. Now, Copilot provides a detailed breakdown of the SAP landscape, including how the deployment is structured within Azure. This gives us a much clearer understanding of the complete architecture and its components. Look at the another example to see how Copilot can explain different architecture diagrams. In this second scenario, we are analyzing another Azure deployment architecture. You can simply ask Copilot to explain the diagram by attaching the image or dragging and dropping it directly from your system. And it is not always necessary to provide an image. You can even start with a simple text prompt. What is more impressive here is Copilot is not just explaining the implementation details, it also highlights the NFRs or non-functional requirements captured within the design. Now let us move to something even more powerful, converting an architecture diagram into actual infrastructure provisioning. Here, we have a hand-drawn architecture diagram that includes a VNet, 2 subnets, virtual machines, a web application, and a storage account. We are going into autopilot mode and asking Copilot to generate the Terraform scripts required to provision this entire infrastructure. We directly prompt Copilot to generate the Terraform configuration, and within seconds, the Terraform scripts are ready. Next, we ask Copilot to connect to the Azure subscription and deploy the infrastructure. As an infrastructure engineer, I am provisioning this architecture into my Azure subscription. If you notice, the resource group demo IAC is created as part of the Terraform deployment. When we open Azure and inspect the resource group, we can see around 13 different resources provisioned successfully. All these resources are aligned with the original hand-drawn architecture. This is a simple but powerful example to show how a hand-drawn diagram can be transformed into a fully functional cloud infrastructure deployment. The entire network setup, including the VNet, subnet, storage account, virtual machines, and web application, is provisioned directly from the drawing. As an infra engineer, this is the right time to start leveraging Copilot in your day-to-day activities, not just for understanding architecture diagrams, but also for automating provisioning infrastructure directly from your design. AI is rapidly changing the way infrastructure engineers design, analyze, and provision cloud environments. With the GitHub Copilot, you can move beyond just understanding architecture diagrams and start automating the entire infrastructure workflow, from design interpretation to Terraform generation and cloud deployment. Whether you are working with cloud architecture or infrastructure as code, Copilot can significantly accelerate your daily engineering activities and reduce manual effort. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.